Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making it easy. Confirm her phone supports Snapchat and there's enough storage, because nothing kills momentum like an update prompt. Once done, prepare 2 or 3 personal reasons she'll value: quick family snaps, local deals, or staying in touch. Make sure to choose a relaxed moment and a short 10-15-minute demo window. Explain that you'll guide every tap. This reduces anxiety and sets the expectation that it's a small commitment with immediate benefits. Next, walk her through installation and key settings while she watches you do it. Show privacy controls first, who can contact her and view stories, because explaining safety up front builds trust. Then demonstrate basic actions. Take a snap, add text, and apply one filter so it feels fun, not fragile. Once she's seen it, have her practice sending and receiving with you. That hands-on cycle cements competence and confidence and makes it clear how quick and low-risk Snapchat actually is. To finish, create immediate value. Add 1 or 2 favorite contacts and suggest a simple routine like a weekly family snap. Offer a tiny incentive, a family photo challenge or birthday reminders, so she has a reason to open the app. Make sure to show how to log out and where settings live. If something goes wrong, try restarting the app, verifying camera and microphone permissions, and freeing about 0.5 to 1 GB of storage. These quick fixes resolve most early problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.